So alright, so Lynn's carrying him away. But if it's just done, it's like coming right for us.
We're getting hit with shit.
Shrapnel! Shrapnel! No, we're not. Oh, no, we're not.
Yeah, there was. There was like a whole bunch of shit that was like...
Ding, ding, ding. Really?
Yeah.
Angelo. That oh my god, that looked like it came out of your ass. That was hilarious. Did you get that, Billy?
Yeah.
Did you get that one?
You can put it on YouTube, so. The fireworks over here.
It did though. It looked like it came out of his ass.
Yeah. I know, right? Almost.
Me?
This is for the shrapnel after the explosion.
Okay. That would require me to be quiet. You can't do that. I know. Do you know me?
Ready?
There you go. My phone's gonna fucking die in a minute, so if I can't do it anymore. Or one more. Those gonna let one more. There we go.
He sent me his BlackBerry with 3 chargers, a car charger and 2 extra chargers, and both my